I'm taking my cats to the vet today all by myself because, well, I am a single mom who works 2 jobs and loves her kids and never stops. In theory, this is not a particularly difficult thing to do. However, one of my cats is very cooperative and the other one is not. In case you need an introduction, Mr. Gilbert Mobamba is not very cooperative. In his defense, he only started being really difficult to take to the vet after we chopped his balls off, so I get it. Like, we chopped his balls off. I think I would be pissed off too. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I know. Oh, baby. Stop. Gilbert. No, Gilbert. I'm sorry. You have to come to the vet. Gilbert, please. Your sister's here. I love you and just want the best for you. You have to go to the vet. That was really traumatic. I'm not really sure what happened there. Carnage is one word I would use to describe it. It just, in that moment, our whole bond evaporated into thin air. He was treating me like I was trying to kill him. I just wanted to take him to the vet to get his nails done. Mommy just wanted a mani-pedi for her baby, and this is what she gets. This is what she fucking gets. Not sure how we will rebuild our relationship from this point on. I'm hopeful there's a way. Maybe we just need to go to mother-son therapy. Because that was fucked up. Gilbert didn't go to the vet in the end. He won. I lost. I was 10 minutes late, which is not something I enjoy whatsoever. That was exhausting. I really am a single mom who loves her kids and never stops. These are my graduation heels. I will be graduating next summer, kind of this time next year, and I bought them now because I am so determined to be able to walk across the stage in heels. I don't know why this is a goal of mine. I just always envisioned myself being able to walk across the stage in high heels, and well, I don't really know how to walk in high heels very well, so I just thought that I would start training now so that there's absolutely no way in hell that I can fall. Now, yes, I may still chicken out and I may just end up wearing flats, but this is a personal challenge. So I've been wearing them like every day just for a little while so that I can just, you know, become connected to these shoes so that they almost become an extension of myself. And also Addison Rae always wears her high heels and I just think she looks so cute, so I wouldn't mind being able to just wear high heels once in a while. I sold a lot of things on Vinted yesterday. I did a closet clear out again. I have a lot of parcels to send away, Vinted parcels, so I'm gonna get on that. It doesn't fit me. Oh, it's so sad. I wanted this top so bad and it literally just doesn't fit. Are you gonna help? With claws that sharp, I don't want you anywhere near this. Because your claws are sharp. because you didn't go to the vet. I'm making avocado pasta. Jesus, take the wheel because I'm mixing 2 different kinds of pasta. Yeah. You've never met anybody more crazy than me. I know. My ingredients board. Very simple. Avocado, garlic, lemon. A tablespoon of pesto. So I guess technically this is pesto pasta but healthier, if you want to look at it that way. Oh, let's do a little bit more. Chili flakes. Oh, that was way too much. Pepper, salt, garlic granules, onion granules, extra virgin olive oil. That was a lot. Don't tell the government, but a little bit of MSG. Forgive me.